Namaste friends, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. In this video today, I'm going to talk about how to earn money as a freelance photographer. This is part 2 of the video that I published last week. In this video, I'm specifically going to talk about how you can prepare yourself and reach out to your clients. So let's get started. Welcome back. If you have not seen the first part of this video, please make sure that you watch that part and then come back to this video. I'll leave a link to that video in the cards here. Now, how to reach your clients and how to ensure that you are ready as a freelance photographer to sell your skill to the world. The first thing that everybody looks into a freelance photographer is his portfolio. The portfolio is of optimum importance. You cannot reduce the importance of a portfolio in the life of a freelance photographer. We'll see in this video how to create that portfolio. Active freelancing is dependent a lot on word of mouth promotions. Now, people who have hired you earlier will actually vote for you or promote you to their friends and family. So make sure that you do your best job in the first instance. There is no second chance. This is true for any kind of freelancing. The second thing that you need to remember is that your photographs are the best promoters that you can have. So your photographs should actually talk to your probable buyers. They should tell your buyers about you and your skills. So do best and do best every time you take a photograph. The other thing that you need to remember is that you need to be different. There are a lot of photographers, there are a lot of freelance photographers which are available online. If you just search in Google, you'll find a lot in your area, and I'm sure in every city of India, you'll find very good professional freelance photographers. Now, how can you be different? You need to find out. You need to see what they're doing and to develop something which is different from what they're doing. If you're different, if you're better, only then you will be selling more amongst the buyers. Now you need to decide on your product. What are you selling? Your product is definitely your portfolio or your photographs. Portfolio is nothing but a list of photographs or a collection of photographs which you can show to your probable buyers. It's like a catalog. How to make your portfolio? You can have your portfolio or your catalog in your own website. You can also create a Facebook business page where you list down all the best photographs that you have taken, or you can have your own photography blog or vlog. I've talked about blogs and vlogs in the previous video, so please feel free to take a look before you go further. Additionally, you can also have your own Android app or iOS app which will showcase your photographs, and people can browse through them and select the ones that they want to buy. This is a very new and latest way of selling your skills as a freelance photographer. This also forms a part of passive source of income that I talked about in the previous video. Now, once you have your product, you have your website, you have your Facebook business page, you have your Instagram pages, you have your blog, your vlog, everything in place. The next thing that you need to do is to promote them. How do you promote your product? You go to social media. Social media is a big, huge tool that you must use to promote your product. If you can promote your products properly in social media, you will be able to earn a lot from freelance photography. To do that, create business pages on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, and upload your photographs and make a catalog in there. Also, engage in social groups where they talk about photography and about freelance photography, and try to add value to that group, to the members of that group. This is one big way of being an influencer, and if you can be an influencer, your products or your skill will be sold faster and in bulk. Trust me. Let people know what you're doing. Let your friends, your family know that you are actually a freelance photographer. If you can showcase to them, if you can showcase yourself, then you can get more work. Remember this thing, what shows sells. जो दिखता है वही बिकता है, and it's not something very new. So that's all in this video. To recap, create your portfolio, have your product ready, and then go to social media and promote them. The more you promote, the more chances you get to get more work. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family whom you think will be benefited by the content that I create. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. I create videos on freelancing and earning money online. So that's it for now. I'll be back again with one more video next week. If you have any questions or you want to know something specific, please mention in your comment section and I'll try to answer all your queries. Keep learning, keep growing. Let's learn and grow together. This is Stan signing off from the Indian Freelancer. Take care.
बाजीगर मैं बाजीगर, दिल वालों का मैं दिलबर, बाजीगर मैं बाजीगर।